Good morning, children. Hello, myself Indira Bhujel. Today we are going to learn something, okay? Today I am going to teach you about the transport. Today we are going to learn about the different transport, okay? So and we'll identify the pictures also, okay? We'll identify the pictures. You'll enjoy learning these chapters, okay? You'll enjoy learning this topic. The topic is transport, okay? So, we'll identify the pictures. Okay, now, tell me what is this? Do you know what is this? Can you please tell me what is this? This is scooter. What is this? This is scooter. And do you know what is this? This is train. What is this? This is train. And what is this? Do you know what is this? This is aeroplane. What is this? This is aeroplane. Okay, now tell me what is this? This is auto rickshaw. What is this? This is auto rickshaw. And what is this? Wow, what is this? Pretty. What is this? This is school bus. You have school bus? This is bus. What is this? Bus. And what is this? Wow, what is this? This is school van. Yes, do you have school van? No, we are having school bus. This is van. What is this? This is van. And what is this? This is aeroplane. Do you know where does aeroplane fly? Aeroplane fly in sky. Do you know where does aeroplane fly? Aeroplane fly in sky. And do you know where this bus run? Bus run in road. Do you know where this bus run? Bus run in road. And do you know where this auto rickshaw, van and scooter run? This run in road. These all are road transport. What is this? These all are road transport. Scooter, auto, bus and vans are road transport. And do you know what is this? Do you know what is this? This is aeroplane. Aeroplane fly in the sky. And aeroplane is road transport? No. Aeroplane is air transport. Aeroplane fly in sky. This aeroplane fly